It's your boy Javon.
It's your girl Shavon.
And we are back with another video. Video. Oh, repeat that? Video. Again? Video. Shut up. Okay. Alright, guys. Go ahead.
Oh my gosh. I swear, we always say the same stuff. Okay. Anyways, we're going to be doing another try-on haul. I'm going to be trying on, as you can see by the title, I'm going to be trying on this swimsuit line. This company who sells swimsuits. They sell many other different things, but the swimsuits caught my attention. So this these swimsuits are from MAC Collection. So a lot of celebrities, you know, wear these swimsuits and everything. So, you know, they were having a sale. So I was like, let me go ahead and get some swimsuits or whatever. It's summertime, so I'm pretty sure I'm going to be going to the beach and all that stuff. So let me get some new swimsuits because I just have old, plain, basic swimsuits. So let me get some fire ones right now. You know what I'm saying? And I decided to just, let's make a video out of it, you know.
Yeah, we're going to leave the link in the website, link in the description.
Yeah, we're going to leave the link in the description as well. So that way, if y'all like these swimsuits, y'all can go ahead and purchase them. Or y'all can go ahead and check out their other swimsuits and their other products they have on that website.
Hey, you. Alright.
Alright, guys, let's get straight into this video. Whoa. Close your eyes.
My eyes is closed. You need to handle it.
Handle it.
Handle it.
Okay.
Handle it.
This is the back.
Handle it.
Oh, you saying underlay? I'm thinking you said handle it.
However you say it, man.
Okay, there you go.
I can open my eyes right now?
You can open.
Guys, what it look like? Guys, you guys give your rating first, then I'll give my rating. Or you guys just tell me what it look like. Oh, it's nice?
It's nice.
Spicy?
Spicy.
Not so spicy? Oh, spicy?
It's spicy.
Ooh. Alright, I'm gonna open my eyes right now.
Okay, open. Bam. Bam. Bam, bam.
Bam!
Ah! Now I'm playing. You ready, babe?
Yeah, ready.
1, 2, 3. Boom. Babe, my head hurt. You got me smiling so tight. What you think? You play too much.
Oh.
You play too much. I can't stand here.
Yeah, hold me up. Hold me up.
Okay.
Oh.
Okay. Don't, boy, I'm gonna knock you out. Smack my butt.
Trying to go crazy. All right, so you say I must rate it or tell her I like it. What you want? What you want? Huh?
Oh yeah. See, what you like about it? What you don't like about it? Can I wear it in public? Can I go to the beach? Yada yada yada.
Yada yada yada. All right.
Yeah. Rate it from 1 to 10. What you give it?
1 to 10.
Yeah.
All right, I'm gonna give my rating first. All right, you want which one? You want to rate it first? Or you want me to tell her I like
These
it?
little breast pad thingies, the boob pad and thing.
Okay.
Gotta fix that.
Okay. Here.
Yeah, but
Here's my rating.
I should got a small on the top.
Here's my rating. I don't know if this is supposed to be at the back or the front.
The front.
But I like it. I prefer it was in the back.
Really?
Yeah, I don't know. I think.
It's the front bag.
I don't know. I don't know. I could be wrong, but.
It's supposed to be more tight though.
So this right here lower your rating down?
Hmm. It did?
Yeah. I don't know. It's not supposed to be in the back?
No, babe. It's supposed to be in the front.
I like it in the back.
You like it in the back?
Yeah. Oh, you want help? I'm helping real quick. Oh, my bad.
You play too much. Good.
Alright. Apart from this, everything look. I like the color. I like the color. For sure. I'm gonna give this a 9.5.
A 9.5. I'll take it.
9.5. That extra 5 you missed was because of this.
This part, yeah.
Because of this.
That's how it's supposed to be, baby.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Oh.
Okay.
I like it though. It's
You like
nice.
it?
Yeah.
Alright.
Apart from this though. I like it, guys.
Alright. Coming out, babe.
Coming out.
I'm coming up.
Hey!
I want the world to know.
Oh!
Got to let it show. I'm coming. I'm coming out. I'm coming. I'll be coming out. And I just gotta live. And
Can I open my eyes?
My bad. All right, go ahead. Open sesame.
Open sesame. Okay, yeah.
You ready?
I'm ready. Some chicken. And some rice. Hey, some chicken. Hey. Oh. Okay. A little different, same color texture, but a little different design. Hey.
I don't know if I put this on right, but hey, whatever. I don't even know this. I don't think that's right. But yeah.
Wait. So it's tight to your neck?
Yeah. I mean, it's not really tight though, because you know it's a long string. At first, I was like, "What the? How you put this thing on?" But then I had to.
Yeah, same as the other one. It's the same color. I like the color.
It's not the same color. It's kind of the same pattern.
Is that the same color?
No, this one's white, black, and gray. That one was
but
white,
it's similar.
black and
close to it. I still like the color though.
Yeah.
I still like the color. I like it. I like the color, but I'm gonna give it a solid 7.5.
7.5. I'll take that. I'll take that. Just because I don't think I'm.
Hey, I don't like
right.
all these little lines and stuff like. Oh my bad. I'm gonna do 7.5, man.
7.5.
Yeah. If it wasn't for the color, it'd been lower than that.
Really? You don't
Keep it
like
100.
It? You don't like it?
I'm gonna keep it 100. I'm gonna keep it our bills.
Keep it 1,000.
No, our bills. I'm gonna keep it our bills, isn't it?
I might bring it up some more.
Isn't it? Not gonna no higher than that. Oh, you ready yet?
Yes, babe.
Oh my God, guys.
I done messed up my hair trying to put this one on, y'all. This one is complicated. Complicated. I'm sweating.
Alright, what do you got here, guys? What do we got here? Some spicy. Is it spicy, guys? Oh, you guys can't see it, huh?
No, they can't see it.
Alright, can I put my eyes on?
Yes.
Alright.
You ready, babe?
Yeah, wait.
Alright, here we go.
Okay. Hey.
You got little ruffles in the back. You see it? On the butt part, babe. Right here.
Oh!
Here.
Oh my God!
Why you always do that? You gotta warn me before you do that. Be scaring me.
It's kind of
Tight.
help you out right here.
Right? That's what I'm saying. I was trying to put this thing on, show my own fat and stuff.
Okay.
Okay, what is the rating? I'm about to fall out his seat.
I'm gonna give you a solid 7.
Solid 7?
7, yeah.
Why is 7?
7 because I don't really like this.
Really?
So
if I was to take this off?
Yeah, I'll leave this on, this, that, and yeah, that's cool.
Okay.
This I don't like these guys. I don't like. If you'd have had just this on and this on, everything gonna be high. I ain't gonna tell you what it be, but yeah, that's me. Plus it's tight right here.
It's tight.
Yeah.
You gonna stop?
Yeah, man. Hey, man. All my ratings gonna be true. I don't care who it is.
I got a medium too. I'm glad I didn't get a small because the model was wearing small. She was wanting me though, so.
So what do you rate it?
I mean, I like it. It's something different. I've never like worn anything like a swimsuit like this, so it's different for me. I like it though.
You like it?
Yeah. It was just difficult to put on, but.
Okay.
All right, next one, guys. This is the last one.
Last one.
Last.
How many you got?
4.
Oh, 4. Okay.
4.
Oh, look at it.
All right, here we go, y'all. Don't mind my kitchen back there. All right, babe, you go with your eyes. I'm here.
Alright, you say this is the last one?
This is the last
This
one.
gonna be the best one?
I don't know.
Okay, so I guess it's not the best
I don't know if I put it on right.
Okay, I'm open my eyes.
You ready?
Ready, life, ready.
But bam. I don't think I put this one on right. Don't laugh at me. Because you see the brown part right here, the little blue part. Babe, that's how it's supposed to.
Man, what you mean that's how it's supposed to be?
It's supposed to show a little bit under here.
A little bit of what?
A little bit of meat.
A little me. Ooh.
It's supposed to be a little meat coming down there.
So it's supposed to be like this then? So this?
I don't know if this part right here in the middle is how it's supposed to go.
But
But that's what we working with right
this
now.
part is supposed to, I'm guessing it's right then.
I don't know.
So why they put this right here?
What?
That's for the boobs, right?
Yeah.
So I'm guessing put that in the front. So this can this go into the back or that's all?
No, it's tied
to
like
the
that.
front.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. This is a neon green.
Yeah, something like that. Neon lime or something. I feel like they
All
should
right,
give you instructions with the harder ones.
This one looks kind of complicated right here.
Yeah, it
We
was.
got a situation right here, guys. What I can tell you, it is not a 10. It is not a 10.
What is it?
But it is a still thinking.
Oh my god, here you go.
Still thinking. I'm still thinking. Oh, I'm still thinking. I'm gonna give it an 8.5.
No, give me your honest opinion.
8.5.
You say you're gonna give it the benefit of the doubt.
So?
Give me your honest opinion.
8.5.
You said that's your benefit of the doubt point.
Man, 8.5.
Okay, I'm gonna take it. Shoot.
What you want? A high rating or something?
No, I wanted your honest opinion. Do you like it or not?
Yeah, I mean I like the color,
But you don't
but
like
this middle part right here, I don't know. I don't like this at the front.
Yeah.
I prefer that.
Guys, I honestly do not know what to do with this. Like,
I don't know if I'm the only one that said, but I like this at the back. I don't know. I could. Everybody got their own opinion.
Yeah. I don't know how this part goes, so I'm gonna have to figure that out. And this part right here, I don't know. So, but this part's supposed to be right here. This supposed to be tighter in the back. And then this boob part up here, I don't really like this part. I might take these pads out or something because it don't look right. So,
alright, guys, I'm still not gonna chimmer in, so I don't know why she even get talking like I'm gonna still.
Because I'm giving
I
you
still
my
getting the
opinion.
8.5.
I don't care. Man.
8.5. Take it or leave it.
I said I'm gonna take it, but
Okay.
I don't like how it looked though. I don't know what to do with these things right
I mean,
here.
the color is nice.
Yeah, I like the
Just
color.
a little midsection. Alright, guys, man, we coming to the end of this video. I should say we're gonna have what, 4 swimsuits?
4 swimsuits.
4,
guys.
so we'll definitely be doing another one soon. I don't know how soon, but soon.
We're gonna
Whenever
do
she
it.
order it. But if you guys like this video, man, make sure you guys drop a thumbs up, drop a comment below, share the video to everybody around, and subscribe and keep watching. It's gonna get lit. The order way is up top. It's gonna get better and better, man. You don't want to miss out. As far as I ain't gonna say anything. I don't want to spoil anything, but all right, man. Anything you want to say?
Yeah. Let us know what other like try on haul y'all want us to do. If y'all want Javon to do a try on haul because he hasn't done one yet. You want me to do another try on haul but with a different company, let us know in the comment section below. Also, like he said, like, comment, and subscribe to this channel with that notification bell so you'll be notified each and every time we post a video. But without further ado, we're gonna end this video right here, bruh. Right here, man. Okay? Wagwan.
Wagwan. They don't know. They see me. Hey, look at me, honey. Look at me, honey. Look at me, honey.
I don't have your hand.
I bet I like how she be man handling me like this, like you think you strong or something, man.
But look, I grew up with 2 boys, okay? I had to fight my way out of stuff.
Alright, guys, we're gonna see you guys in this video. Peace.
Peace.